A Devil's Chaplain by Richard Dawkins is a collection of essays and articles covering a wide range of topics, primarily centered around evolutionary biology, atheism, religion, and cultural critiques. Dawkins, renowned for his eloquent defense of scientific rationalism, uses the book to argue against superstition, rationality, and what he perceives as the dangerous influence of religion. Below is a detailed note covering the major themes and key insights of the book. One of the foundational themes in A Devil's Chaplain is Dawkins' firm belief in science and rationality as the most reliable tools for understanding the world. He advocates for the empirical investigation of reality, emphasizing that science is not merely a body of knowledge, but a method of inquiry. Dawkins presents evolution as one of the most profound achievements of science, demonstrating how natural selection shapes life in ways that are often counterintuitive, but deeply logical. For Dawkins, the elegance of Darwin's theory lies in its ability to explain complex biological phenomena without invoking supernatural forces. Dawkins also critiques the tendency of some to misinterpret or misuse science. He warns against pseudoscience and stresses the importance of maintaining intellectual rigor. He highlights that even within scientific disciplines, there is the potential for dogmatism, something that must be constantly resisted through critical thinking and skepticism. Another major theme of the book is Dawkins' critique of religion, which he views as a hindrance to scientific progress and a source of harm in society. He argues that religious beliefs, by relying on faith rather than evidence, are incompatible with a rational worldview. For Dawkins, the clash between science and religion is not just about intellectual disagreement, but also about the very nature of how we come to know things. Science seeks truth through evidence, while religion demands belief without it. Dawkins does not limit his critique to specific religions, but extends his arguments to the concept of faith itself. He finds the notion of faith as a virtue dangerous, as it encourages people to accept propositions without questioning or understanding them. This can lead to dogmatism and an unwillingness to reconsider one's beliefs in light of new evidence. As an evolutionary biologist, Dawkins delves into the intricacies of Darwinism and evolutionary theory. One of his key contributions in A Devil's Chaplain is to explain the implications of evolution beyond just biology. Evolution, according to Dawkins, provides a framework for understanding the behavior of humans and other organisms. It reveals the patterns of cooperation and competition, altruism, and selfishness that arise naturally in the struggle for survival. Dawkins extends his analysis to cultural evolution, introducing the concept of means units of cultural transmission that evolve similarly to genes. He argues that ideas, beliefs, and practices can spread through populations in ways analogous to biological evolution, subject to selection pressures that favor those means that are most fit for survival. In the realm of ethics, Dawkins addresses the question of whether evolutionary biology can inform our understanding of morality. He rejects the idea that science can directly dictate moral values, arguing instead that our moral instinct, such as empathy and altruism, can be better understood through the lens of evolution. Evolution may explain why we have moral intuitions, but it does not provide a prescriptive moral code. Dawkins stresses that humanity must go beyond its evolved tendencies and make conscious, rational decisions about how to live ethically. He warns against social Darwinism and the idea that evolution justifies the oppression of the weak by the strong, calling such interpretations a gross misapplication of evolutionary principles. Instead, he believes that while evolution may explain certain behaviors, it does not excuse them. Dawkins also takes aim at postmodernism, particularly the tendency in some academic circles to relativize truth. He criticizes postmodern thinkers for undermining the idea of objective reality, suggesting that such thinking creates confusion about the nature of knowledge. For Dawkins, science is not just one narrative among many, but the best tool we have for understanding reality. He challenges the postmodern notion that all perspectives are equally valid, arguing that this leads to a dangerous erosion of the pursuit of truth. Despite his sharp critiques of religion and pseudoscience, Dawkins is not a cynic. In A Devil's Chaplain, he expresses a deep optimism about the human potential for knowledge and progress. He believes that humanity's greatest achievements have come from its capacity to reason, innovate, and explore the natural world. Dawkins advocates for a form of humanism that places human well-being and flourishing at the center of ethical considerations. This humanism is not grounded in religious belief, but in a shared recognition of our common humanity and our place in the universe. He acknowledges the emotional and psychological appeal of religion, especially its role in providing comfort in times of distress, but argues that a secular worldview, based on science and reason, can offer a more profound and enduring form of solace, rather than seeking meaning from religious narratives. Dawkins encourages people to find wonder in the complexity of life and the vastness of the cosmos. One of the more personal aspects of A Devil's Chaplain is Dawkins' reflection on mortality, both his own and that of humanity as a whole. He confronts the inevitability of death and the existential questions it raises, suggesting that one does not need to turn to religion to find meaning in life. Instead, he urges readers to embrace the finite nature of existence as an opportunity to live fully and to contribute positively to the world. In his reflection on legacy, Dawkins returns to the metaphor of the Devil's Chaplain, from which the book takes its title. The phrase, drawn from a letter by Charles Darwin, refers to the grim aspects of nature that make belief in a benevolent creator difficult. Dawkins uses this metaphor to highlight the indifferent, often cruel realities of the natural world, while also affirming that understanding these realities can lead to a deeper appreciation of life. He sees his own legacy as a defender of science and reason, someone who has sought to illuminate the world's complexity, rather than obscure it, with comforting illusions.